Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to cover a fundamental topic for anyone getting into programming, that is, how to download and install the latest version of Python on Windows 11. So, let's dive right in. Now, open your preferred browser and search for Download Python. Navigate to the first link. Then click on Download Python. Wait for a few seconds for the file to download. Once it has downloaded, run the installer. The installation process is fairly straightforward. First of all, tick both the checkboxes at the bottom. First is to give admin privileges when installing Python, and second is to add python.exe to the path. Then, click on Install Now. Wait for a few seconds for the installation to complete. And it's done. You can close this prompt. Lastly, it's always a good idea to verify if everything was done successfully. To do that, you can open Command Prompt and enter Python. This shows you Python 3.12.0, i.e. the version of Python installed, and it takes you into the Python environment, so you can try running a basic Python code or command. Let's try the cliché print hello world. And there we go, it's done successfully. If you run into any issues, redo the installation and make sure you have admin rights and that you added Python to path. If that doesn't help, post your issue in the comments section and I'll try to help. Now, let's also check if we also have the IDE installed. We do. Lovely. Alright, now let's print hello world. In here, let's also do a basic division program, save the file and try running the code. That's done successfully too. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded and installed Python 3.12.0, which comes with some awesome new features, on your Windows 11 machine. Thanks for watching, and make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tutorials.